Which species of bird flies at the highest elevation? Bar-headed goose. How long does it take a sloth to digest food? 2 weeks. What is the largest type of big cat in the world? Tiger. Bees are found on every continent of Earth except for one. Which is it? Antarctica. Which one is the largest carnivorous animal in the world? Southern elephant seal. Which animal has the longest tusks? Elephants. How many chambers does a cow's stomach have? 4 chambers. What are baby goats called? Kids. What is the largest land animal in the world? Elephant. What is the name of the phobia that involves an abnormal fear of spiders? Arachnophobia. Which animal has largest brain in the world? Sperm whale. How many pairs of wings does a bee have? 2 pairs. How far can an owl rotate its head? 270 degrees. Which bird migrates from the North Pole to the South Pole and back? Arctic tern. Where does Fennec fox or desert fox is found in? Sahara Desert. Which is the fastest land animal in the world? The cheetah. Which animal exclusively eat only eucalyptus leaves? Koala. In which species does the male have mammary glands to feed milk to its young? Dayak fruit bat. Which animal is the state animal of West Bengal? Fishing cat. How can be the age of a lion determined? By seeing the color of the nose. For how many years before have the dinosaurs been extinct? About 65 million years. What is the name of an adult female horse? A mare. Which was the first animal to go to space? Dog Laika. An earthworm breathes with the help of which organ? Skin. Which animal fasts for about 8 months in a year? Polar bear.